Okay, grade 5. So we are going to review how to read and write numbers. And we're going to start with just a random number I'm picking. And if you hear my dogs in the background, sorry. So the way you should read this number is 8,427. Now when we do questions, you're going to have to read and write numbers in different ways. One of those ways is in expanded form. Expanded form just means that you are going to kind of blow up the number. So we're going to take the 8, and then I'm going to count how many numbers I've got after it. So I've got 1, 2, 3 after it. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 zeros. Easy. Then I'm going to put plus. Then I'm going to put the 4. That's my next number. So I'm going to put the 4. And there are 2 numbers after that 4. So I'm going to put 2 zeros after the 4. Then I'm going to go next to the 2. There's 1 number after the 2. And then there's no numbers after the 7. So I just write 7. The only tricky part of this is if you have a number like, say, so when I go to blow that number up, I know that there's 1, 2, 3 zeros after the 6, so I'm going to write 1, 2, 3. Then I go to the next number. You have to be very careful that you put that 0 in there. It's holding a place. That's all you have to put is the 0. Then 3 and then 1 more number. Okay, so that's expanded form. You need to put this into your math notebooks. The next type you're going to hear is standard form. Okay, standard form you already know. That's writing the number just as it is. This is standard form right here. This is standard form right here. Easy. So however you want to write that, standard form is the number so the way you usually see it. And then what you can do in your math interactive notebooks is give an example. So this is an example of a standard form number. The other way you're going to see numbers is they'll ask you to draw the numbers. So the way you do that is really easy, and you don't have to be an artist. I am not looking for art. So if they say draw, or if they say create a block, you're just drawing what that looks like. So what you're really drawing are the math manipulatives that we use in class. 1,000 is a cube. Now, because I'm using an 8, I would need ignore my terrible cubes. Okay, so I need 8 thousands. Then I need 4 hundreds. Hundreds are easy. They're just squares. Okay, and then I need 20. 20 are 2 10 blocks. So I'm just going to draw a line because I know what that means. And then I need 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll notice that they get progressively smaller as we move towards the ones. That's what yours should look like. Your ones should not be the same size as your thousands. So those are the 3 ways you're going to see the numbers written and talked about in this unit and in the rest of the school year. So please make sure you have those written down from the term to the example, and then if you need it, the definition, what it means.